Hello everybody, welcome to this platform, and today's video we have given question square root of x plus 5 plus square root of x minus 5 equals to 10. Solution. And always, of course, you have to copy what we have, and we have square root of x plus 5, then plus square root of x minus 5 is equals to 10. First of all, here we can, for this option that we're going to start with, we can square both sides, of course, to get what? Square root of x plus 5, then plus square root of x minus 5, then square will be 10 squared. And at this stage here, we know that when you have a plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus 2ab plus b squared. This is what we're going to apply to get square root of x plus 5, then squared plus 2 square root of x plus 5 times square root of x minus 5, okay, then plus square root of x minus 5 squared is equal to 100. Right, then here this one and this will be cancelled to get x plus 5 plus 2 square root of x squared minus 25, then plus x minus 5 due to this one and this will be cancelled to get 100. And of course here we shall group right times to get x plus 5 plus x minus 5 plus 2 square root of x squared minus 25, okay, which is equals to 100. This will be cancelled to get 2x plus 2 square root of x squared minus 25 is equals to 100. We can factorize out 2 to get x plus square root of x squared minus 25 is equals to 100. Then x plus square root of x squared minus 25 will be 50. Then by changing the position of this x, we should get square root of x squared minus 25 will be equal to 50 minus x. Then of course we shall square again on both sides to get what? To get x squared minus 25 as difference of the squares is equal to 50 squared can be written as right here 25 0 minus 2 times 50 times x, okay, this is minus plus x squared. Right, then here this is x squared minus 25 is equals to 2500 minus 50 x plus x squared. If you see nicely, we have same variables with same opposite sign with same sign, so that it should be cancelled to get negative 25 is equal to 2500, then minus 550x. Due to grouping the right terms here, we shall get here negative 25 minus 2500 is equal to negative 50x. Okay, so what shall we get? We should get that we have negative 2525 is equals to negative 50x. Then this one should be cancelled to get x equals to 2525 over 50, and the final answer we should have x, which is equals to 25.25 as the value of x. But for this question, we can use the multiple method just for finding the value of x. Okay, whatever you can start with, you can get the same answer, and always have to check if the answer we have get if it is correct, because we have given question square root of x plus 5 plus square root of x minus 5 is equals to 100. Then here we have square root of x plus 5, this is equal to 25.25 plus 5, then plus square root of 25.25 minus 5 is equals to 10, so that here you should say square root of 25.25 here, you should get here 30.25, then plus, at this stage here you should get here 20.5, which equals to 10. At this stage, when you say square root of 30.25 is equals to 5.5, okay, then plus here 4.5, which is equal to 10. Then here 10 is equal to 10. Left hand side is equals to right hand side. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to share and subscribe.